Hello and welcome to the True Mike Show. This is my first vlog, my first moto vlog, and I will continue to make a series about it. So first of all, my videos will continue to be in English because I need it for my daily job anyway. As an actor, it's always better to have another language fluently, but it will take some time. Bear with me, I will get better with every video. I hope so, at least. So, now to the important stuff. I have some problems with the quality. You can see the sky is so bright you can't even see any clouds or something. You can see nothing. You're getting blinded by the flashbang of the gods or something. But that shouldn't be a problem in the next videos because I bought an ND filter and can put it on the GoPro. So I don't have any problems with this anymore. Microphone problems. I bought a microphone that I can equip in my helmet, but it doesn't work how I want it to, because I use a smartphone for recording and a smartphone with an adapter, and this won't work really well. It gives me all sort of crickling sound, errors and disconnects, so this won't work for the future. I already ordered another microphone that I can place somewhere in my backpack or something. The GoPro has some problems too. I don't know why, but always after 5 minutes of recording it stops and starts another video. When it does not start another video, it just gets to 10 seconds or something. After an hour of filming, I can't film anything anymore. When I hit record, it just records 10 seconds. And this is very annoying. I don't like that the GoPro is like this. I think I have to record the videos in 2K because I upload in 2K anyway. So we will see how this will work out. Finally, I want to talk about the bike. I looked for a bike I can drive with, have fun with. I looked for an old bike and I chose the Kawasaki GPX 600, but this bike already had serious oxidation and rust damage and you couldn't save this bike anymore. And then I looked further in the German Craigslist and I found this Suzuki. Give it a look. What can go wrong when you just pay 900 euros, $950 or something, and you can do nothing wrong with this price? I drove to the dude and looked at the bike and I thought to myself, that's it, I like it, I can use it, and it's a fun sports bike. Also, why did I choose such an old bike? I don't know, I just like those old 90s, early 2000s bikes and cars. I also own a Volkswagen Golf 2, so a Golf 2, and I love it. The hard edges of the car, I just love the two round headlights it got in front. It's just heartwarming for me. It's in red. I will make some videos about it sometime later maybe. In the beginning of the video I checked everything because this is the first time I ride this bike seriously. Before I just sat on it and checked some things. I think I have to look about tire pressure and check it because I just got reminded when the tires already were warm enough, and that was a problem. I think I have to give it some more air pressure. The second thing is in idle it runs really unstable or relatively unstable. It is not exactly on the same like 2000 or 1500. It should be on 1500 RPM in idle, but it's stuttering a bit. I think I have to clean the carbs and then it should run smoothly again. Also, it had less than half of the oil it needed on it. That was surprising. Dude said he has driven it in the last weekend, and I don't like that someone doesn't check his fluids and the rest of it. I'm relatively happy with the bike. I think it is really fast. It goes around 160, 70 miles per hour top speed, so 280 kilometers per hour. That is pretty fast for a 32-year-old bike. But before I drive this fast, I have to get it checked by a mechanic, definitely, because I don't want to just drive it and kill myself on it. Before I drive fast with it, I went to 200 kilometers per hour. That's 124 miles per hour, and the bike has a top speed of 175 miles per hour. So it's pretty damn fast. Like I said, I have to check it before I can drive it out and get used to it a little bit more. I don't like to just hop on a bike I don't really know and feel and then go vroom. That is not my style. Ride safe, it's always better. So enough of the bike. My plans for the future are to do more motovlogs and show you the German side of riding. I think there are big differences and misunderstandings of how people drive somewhere else, like UK or USA, and I want to show you that it's not all fun and easy driving in Germany. And I want to do cinematography. I want to make really beautiful shots and scenes, also some scenes of myself acting that I can use later in my daily job for my Vita. I need a Vita to send to agencies so I can get jobs in acting. And I will definitely make some videos with some interview videos with my bike. I will drive into the city and ask random people if they reached what they are looking for, and if not, what stops them to do what they want to do. This is the next small project I want to make. I think it is very interesting to see why people don't just follow their dreams. I think it is the most important thing in life to realize, do what you want. You only have one life left. There is no respawn or anything else. Just do what you want. Nothing criminal or something, but make your dreams come true. I think too many people don't know what really matters in life. But that's already it for the video, and I hope you had fun watching it and enjoyed it and now have a clear vision of what will come in the future. Enjoy the rest of the video. I would really appreciate if you like the video and maybe subscribe the channel if you liked it. I wish you a nice upcoming week. Stay healthy and enjoy your life.